Hi, this is Trey Ann with the Florida RV Trade Association, and I am here at the Jacksonville Equestrian Center as we finish setups for the 2020 Jacksonville RV Mega Show. Now, this is the largest show in Northeast Florida, so if you're an RVer or just thinking about RVing, this is definitely the place you want to be. We have hundreds of RVs on display of all different kinds, dozens of vendors, entertainment. We will have songs for sound, and the Girl Scouts will be here, so don't forget your cookies on the way out. Should be a great time, tons to see and do, so definitely want to see you here. I am here in the General RV Center display, and they are busy, as you can see behind me, rolling out the red carpet for our guests tomorrow. Here in the Campers Inn display, you can see the guys in the background there setting up the show tent, still bringing in smaller units. I see a pop-up sitting right there that they still have to set up. So lots going on all over the show. But one of the things that has really caught my eye are the ultralight travel trailers that they have on display. I'm super excited to get here in the morning and go through them. And speaking of easy to tow, Como RV has brought quite a selection of A-liners with them that I'm really excited to check out tomorrow. One of the questions that we always get at the shows is, will there be truck campers? And as you can see, yes, we will definitely have truck campers. They are just now setting them up, but we'll have quite a few different models on display from a variety of manufacturers. So if you're looking for a truck camper, definitely come check it out. And even more truck campers over in the Como display. No RV show is complete without some classic Airstreams. We have you covered here at the RV1 display. And if you're looking for big, we have you covered. I'm inside where the vendors are frantically setting up for tomorrow. One of the things I'd like to draw your attention to is the door prize table. We are giving away a $250 gift card every day of the show, so make sure you stop and register to win. If you register on Thursday, your name is in the drawing for all days of the show, so chances are high. Make sure you register. It's all coming together now.